Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about Cad, and in particular, Ecam, and its virtual number 6. I've already talked about it. You've already seen it, but I want to explain why the tool is becoming a very important tool, Ecam in itself, Ecam in itself, for artisans, hobbyists, and companies. Let's say, in my opinion, all companies, but it goes well with small businesses. Before getting into the video of the speech, I remind you that if you like my content, you can support the channel by subscribing. To support my channel by subscribing, go doing your shopping on Amazon from the link you'll find in the description with a big thank you, or buying me a coffee using the method you'll find in the description. Thanking everyone who supports the channel, let's continue with our Ecam discussion. So remember that I always speak as a tuner because I am one, and I have known Ecam since version 2, in my opinion, if I remember correctly. I have always used it to create profiles, and especially the more complex ones where I had to do more calculations to obtain them. And then in the various versions, it has always improved. Now in version 5, it also had the post-processors already pre-compiled, and I have always found it good. Why have I always liked Ecam? Because it was, let's say, programmed, or in any case, developed by the engineer Alessandro Koga, who is certainly a user of machine tools. So, unlike all the renowned cams that reason like a PAC programmer or a designer, this one reasons very, very well, and compared to the user, that is the turner, a turner who knows how to turn on Ecam feels very comfortable. Obviously, there is also another very, very, very important issue. To have a cam in the company, it was always thought you had to spend €5 million just for 7,000 euros. Here, if you're with Ecam, you can also remove a 0 if you are seen. If you are seen, but now look at the site, because I'm not an Ecam seller. I just want to give you this, let's say, this information. If you are based, if I remember correctly, you can pay €200, and in any case, on Saturdays and Sundays, it allows you to have, at least in version 5, in version 6, I haven't checked, it allows you to have checked, I have the ISO code. All its functions are always open, even after the 14-day trial has expired, but it is worth the purchase, because for €700, having all this stuff is not a small thing. You can program a 2-axis lathe, 3-axis with C-axis, Y-axis, then 34 guide minus axis machining centers. I can understand up to the 3-axis machining center. After that, I am really ignorant on the subject. I have never used it in my life. I will stop. I'm not a milling machine operator. I've shown in my videos also using a simulated milling machine that you can program the Cad-Cam system milling machine without any problems. You can do anything you want. I've made some videos in what I call my virtual workshop. Now that the CNC lathe, the one from Round Precision, has arrived, I'll show you how I'll use the cam. Oh, then there's the post-processing issue. If you spend a few thousand euros on a cam, you won't get much done without the post-processor. So, the little man from the manufacturing company comes out and asks you for another €1,000 for each post-processing. That is, if you have a fan control, a numerical control, ADCS control, and an Ando control, another €1,000 per processor. Well, Ecam already has on the site, working with Ecam version 5, and currently being processed with Ecam, at least when I'm talking about it now, with e-CamV6, but the post-processing will surely be available. But not only that, I made my own post-processor for RAM MIPA. And why? Because the post-processor, have you seen the program that was run? You press G1, go into what post-processor you have. As you can see, I have my Round Precision post-processor here. I edit my machine tool. And here, you can not only make all the changes to the post-processing, obviously you have to figure out it a bit to understand, but you also have the tags to shop What does that mean? This gives you all the codes that you can insert in either operation. Now, okay, I'll do this now and close without saving because I don't want to modify my RAM precision post-processor, but I've always managed to model the post-processor of my machines by myself. It may take a couple of weeks to take possession of all that information. Really cool. Now you can insert the gripping system sims. I've inserted the standard one now, but you can, now I show you something quick without editing to manage the fixtures. Here they are. You can go. Well, yeah, I'm not prepared for a bad milling level. You can import a 3D step file of your fixture, then you'll tell it where the two gripping points are, and you'll also have the fixtures of your or a lies. Yeah, your machining center equipment. Oh, another thing, do you see this program? Well, I'll show you this program from here. I make the raw material invisible and the 3 model visible. Everything was created following a 3D provided by a customer, as you can see. So you can start from a blank page and draw your piece, or let's say put in the point-to-point programming. You can import a two-dimensional drawing, the classic XF, DVG, AutoCAD, EAD. You can also import the 3D. Lately, I've been using the 3D, obviously. Yeah, you then need to learn how to use all its facets. However, on the Ecam website, there is a series of information, short tutorials. It is in English, but it is 2026, and right-click translate, and you have it in Italian. Menu Italian. So you don't even need a real course because they charge you for the course. I learned to use this on my own. In my opinion, it is a very, very important tool. If I don't have it already, I will add the link, but I think I already have it on the programmer's website. If you decide to buy it, let me know, because you will then have to contact Alessandro via email and you will do it yourself. I will not give you any discount codes. I have no commercial ties. I simply contact him every now and then and we exchange opinions, or I ask him for advice, and Alessandro always responds. And I don't know where he finds the time, because if he responds to me, he responds to everyone. Tell him that you come from CNC turning techniques. I assure you that it is a very, very valid product. But before, give it to the idiot who talks. Download it. You have 2 weeks to use it, and you will also get the G code, but you have unlimited time to use it. That is, after 2 weeks, you can use all the fixed cycles that you see here and there are truly an infinite number. On my channel, you will find Cad-Cam and you will still find examples. I will do them with you if you want to learn. And the only thing you will have is the model, and you will not have the G code. Be careful. You will then have let's go here, a tool magazine with all the turning tools. And I can't go into detail in a single video with all the milling and turning tools now. Then you will have, because I have this here, you have the cycle time at the bottom. So you already have an idea of the Natakatos relative to your company, but then you can also go and estimate the costs. And it is an estimate of the cost that you can then go and, let's say, batch based on the costs of your company. So it helps you make estimates, think about how much time you save. And you also have the possibility to create a report sheet, which is this one, Evo Balamet sheet. Well, if you then fill in all the programming correctly, you can also customize the table and the tool, and then you will also give the operator the right information to set up the machine. And I think there was another thing, which was the summary report of the tools. But you can find everything in the report, so you have a really complete tool at a relatively low cost. Daily, but above all, the wonderful opportunity to be able to test it for a fairly long period, 14 days free, and then indefinitely with free Sundays and Saturdays. With free Sundays and Saturdays. But Sundays and Saturdays should be spent with the family and not at the company. I thank you for being with me, and I urge you to at least try to create this tool. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye, guys.